Hi, welcome to the Nog Vlog. My name is Lance. We're going to do a stateroom tour of an interior cabin here on the Discovery Princess. We are on deck 14, Riviera. So our room number here that we're going to tour today is R535. We just arrived to the room. We haven't really even looked through it, so you're going to see it for the first time along with myself. And I'm walking to my room to show you exactly how entry works. And when you first walk up to your room, you'll notice that this placard will have your name. No longer do they have the full last name on the back of the door. So if you want privacy and people not knowing your last name, they will block that. And since I just came out of the room, it won't automatically unlock. But if you're walking from afar, this will turn green and the room will unlock for you. Confirm my access there. It unlocks. The door handle turns green. So with this interior cabin, of course, that means no windows. That's never a bad thing, because it's usually provided at a slight discount. We've got a mirror here, full length, for getting ready, and you have basically your closet space right across from that. You also have the bathroom, which we'll take a look at the very end. At the front, you've got a switch for your closet / changing area. The second switch is for the lights above the bed. Before we head off to look at the room, we'll take a look at the emergency plan of action here. Main thing you want to look at is what your muster station is. This is muster station E. This is on deck 7 in the aft near Princess Live. So that's going to be kind of aft starboard side. We're here on the starboard side, as you can see. And so you'll have to go down several flights of stairs to get to deck 7 for your muster. Let's go ahead and take a look at the sleeping area. This bed is set up as a full king, but know that when you book your cabin, you can request it to be 2 separate individual twins. You're supposed to be changed at any time. In fact, we can even tell our room steward if we wanted to switch it up. Over here, you do have a nightstand with a couple of drawers, as well as a cubby. This lamp does have a USB charger. And you have a light switch here for the lights above the bed and the main lights in the center of the cabin. You have the same thing for your mate on the other side. You have the remote to the TV, which we'll take a look at here shortly. As far as the bed test, fairly firm. Pillows look like we've got a combination of soft and firm, which is always great. Over here we have the TV I mentioned. We've got several drawers here, this one containing the blow dryer, which of course is in front of the vanity. And your cruise will probably not come with a stuffed giraffe from Carnival. After those drawers, we have this cabinet with a cooler. Slightly cool. We'll test that out. Of course, we ordered a couple of waters ahead of time. You have your phone for the stateroom in case you need to call down to guest services or to sailing companions of yours. Nice big chair with a back, which is nice. Sometimes you only get a stool on other cruise lines. There's a trash can under there. Vanity mirror, pretty big. I think that'll be perfect for anybody getting ready. Now, this is a very special sailing because one of the godparents of this sailing is Adam Savage, very famous for his work on the show Mythbusters. If you're sailing with a kid, again, this is a daddy-daughter cruise for us. All the information from Camp Discovery for her sailing, and then some additional details for your sailing from the cruise line. We saw by the bed that you've got 2 USBs, one in each lampstand. Up here at the vanity, you've got 1 US plug, a pair of foreign plugs. I don't know if those are European or Australian. And whatever this plug is, I don't think I've ever seen this guy before. But just know 1 plug up here. Make sure you bring some type of additional adapter to expand that plug for charging all your electrical devices. Other than that, very basic for the sleeping quarters. We'll go ahead and take a look at the last space, the bathroom. So the bathroom starts with the light. We'll have it on and off switch here. We'll go ahead and open it up. You see you do have a couple of hooks up here for your robes or towels. It does come with a shower curtain, not a glass container. There is a pretty sizable lip and even a seat here. Not so much for your booty, but for maybe your feet if you're shaving. Let's do a shower test while we're in here. Just turn this away. Looks like we've got power. pretty good. And then temperature controls down here. Looks like they have some nice soaps for you here. Let's see how powerful this faucet is. It's decent. Could use a little bit more power to rinse off that razor blade. You got trash down below. Storage down here, which will be nice because you do not have a lot of storage up here up top. It's not a wide bathroom here. Although the shower is fairly deep and wide, not a lot of space on the countertop. Then we have last the toilet. Won't open that, but let's go to flush this. Oh yeah, that's got some jet engine power to it. So that's it. That's the stateroom tour of an interior cabin here on the Discovery Princess. We hope you learned something. If you did, smash a like button. If you have any follow-up questions, let us know down in the comments below. We've got plenty of more videos from the Discovery Princess from this daddy-daughter sailing that we're excited to get started. If you want to check those out, be sure to subscribe to the Nog Vlog because you're always welcome to come take a trip with us.